James, had a fantastic opportunity to interview Tom at World Skills at the NEC a few weeks ago, back in November. And I must say that events, I've never seen an event like it actually, with the amount of young students which were visiting, hundreds of thousands I believe. But anyway, back to MACH 2020. Now, Tom was saying that there are stands available, but we're a few weeks down the road now. Tell us exactly what we're looking at here and what is available to potential exhibitors.
So floor plan wise, we're now down to less than 5%. There are still stands available, so if people are looking to come and attend, we can still accommodate them. But I mean, if you're looking at this area of the show here, I mean, pretty much all of this is booked out. We've got some space down here with some available stands that people are looking at. And similarly, there are still stands dotted around the show. So we are still able to accommodate people. But if you want to get in, now is the time to do it.
Well, I think that's quite interesting because I think a lot of people are probably putting budgets together for next year. Maybe you're talking to international clients that may want to bring their products to the show as well. But when you talk about the floor plan compared with 2018, what's different?
So at the moment, it's a bigger show. It's an enlarged show. So we're already well ahead of where we were at this point in the process last show. In terms of the technology on show, there's going to be new technology there. We're starting to see a lot more now about what people are bringing. And as the UK's national manufacturing and engineering show, we're actually starting to see a lot more interest from overseas as well, where people are coming to view this as the UK shop window, if you like. And
I think we're quite lucky at MTDCNC. We are a global channel, as you know, and we do visit a lot of the different shows. And I think when certain economies are a little bit slower as well, you do find that maybe decision makers overseas will come to UK events.
Yeah, and we've certainly seen that in our visitor profile. I mean, registration is still live, has been live for a couple of weeks now, and we are starting to see more from overseas. They tend to book earlier because of visa requirements and so on. But they are interested. As I say, UK is still seen as one of the hubs in Europe for innovation. And even on a global scale, we are still held in very high regard, and I think people are still utilising MACH for that. And being connected as we are to Birmingham International, there's a lot of flights that go to and from Europe mainland that people can fly in, visit the show, either stay for 2 days or one and go home again.
And lastly, for any engineers or engineering companies that are looking maybe to consider to exhibit at MACH 2020, what's the best way to connect with you?
I would say get in touch. You can do that either through the website, which is machexhibition.com, or you can give the MTA a call. We'll point you in the right direction and we will be able to accommodate you where you'll make stands available.